How do you add money in your child's Schwab account? Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So adding funds to your child's Schwab account is like choosing your own adventure, each path leading to the same destination, a well-funded investment account. So here's how you can make it happen. For that, open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, search for schwab.com. So the most straightforward method is to link your local bank account to Schwab using MoneyLink services. You want to go ahead and log in to your Schwab account, navigate to Move Money and External Account, and then follow the prompt to add your bank account details. Schwab will send two small test deposits to your bank account. Verify this amount to complete the linking process, and once it is linked, you can transfer funds between bank and Schwab account with ease. Now for faster transfer, especially for large amount or international transaction, consider a wire transfer. Obtain a Schwab wire instruction from your account under Move Money, and then you want to go ahead and provide these details to your bank to initiate with wire transfer. Ensure you include your Schwab account number and name in the For Further Credit To section. And then wire transfer may incur fees and typically process within 1 or 2 business days automatically or 5 or 7 days internationally. Also, if you prefer a traditional method, you can mail a check to Schwab. Make the check payable to Charles Schwab & Co. Incorporation. Include your Schwab account under the memo line. But this method is slower and may take several days to process. And just like that, you'll then be able to add your money in your child's Schwab account. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.